Hello everyone, how to fix Apple developer your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application at this time error. And recently this error has been a lot because I can see in the forums that they are facing a lot of issue and how we can just fix it. So here I mentioned each and every steps and make sure you apply each and every step, then only you will be able to solve this issue. The very first thing is that verify your Apple ID and account status. Check your eligibility, check your payment information. It might get fixed. The second method, if it doesn't work out, check device and iCloud settings. So make sure that the country code from your phone number is in iCloud matches your current location. This is very important. Ensure that your device made Apple system requirement for the developer program, right? And restart and relogin. This old age solution which works almost all the time. You have to completely shut down your phone and then restart and relog in into your account. The last thing is that update software. This might be a bug, right, in iPhone. Then this could be solved only through the update. And I'm sure Apple just this and the update really fast, and in this way, by updating the app, has helped some user to fix some errors. Clear cookie and cache for the web access. This is only for the web access, guys. So if you don't clear the caches, that's fine. And the last to last solution, that if it's not fixing anywhere, right, no matter how much you try, just contact the Apple support. They will surely help you to do this. So these are the solutions, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and if you need any help, let us know in the comment box.